Understand the difference between dialogue and monologue. What is monologue? Let's say we are in the conversation. I'm talking about myself. I'm talking about my problems. This is frustrating for you, but I am an expert of your life. I'm giving you advice. I'm giving you information statement. Those kind of thing when your other person sounds like he is the expert and he is the only person who is right and all other persons, everyone else is wrong. This is like a monologue. You have to understand whether you are in a monologue or are you engaging with your audience. That can be individual or a group of people. So dialogue involves your audience in communication. Understand it. It's engaging. So जब भी आप स्टोरी टेलिंग की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, try to use this principle. What is dialogue? What is monologue? Ask questions. Communication skills section में हमने cover किया है. What is a dialogue? What questions you can ask? Remember this.